There we go. Semi on board. Big old wave. This is what we did today. Hopefully you're still recording. I think you are. You should be. Unless I pressed the wrong button. And now we're going sideways on them. Because we gotta get around this point. I think once we get around this point, that'll be quite safe. Not really ocean style waves, but they might be pretty big. Yeah, I know. Now it's break down. Some big waves today, my God. It keeps catching my paddle. Oh yeah, there he is. There he is. It's on. Look at that boy. Yeah, buddy. Check him out. He got it good. Got it good. Yes, he did. Quick. I'll get you off. Oh, in my lap again. Get out. He keeps on biting. This is whenever you know I'm a girl, because I'm like, ah! Come here, you. Now this will be good to see. Ow, shit. Okay. Well, he's in the boat. Count. There he is. Another fish. Check this one out. Another sandbag. Oh! We're gonna have to let that one chill for a little bit. Back up. Sandbags seem to be liking that. Sorry, little bro. Sorry, little homie. Alright, top water. Yeah. Quit. See my sandbass? Now is that a sit? Yeah, that's a sandbass because we got the stripe. We're on the lookout for white perch.